Fastest way to reduce CPU temperature. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys the fastest way you can reduce your CPU temperature. So let's begin. First, go to your search bar and search for power plan. After you search for it, let me do that again. So you will see edit power plan right here. Open it up. So after you open it up, you will see that you're on control panels, hardware and sound, power option and edit plan. Now you can follow this route here too. So after you're here, go to change advanced power settings. And after you do that, you will see this right here. Tap on processor power management and expand on maximum processor state. So on default, it will be on 100. What you'll need to do is you'll need to change it to whatever works best for you. So what this will do is when you're on maximum processor state, it will use 100% of it. So if you reduce it to something like 90 or 80, your processor state will work a bit slower, but it will definitely reduce your CPU's temperature. And that is how you do it. Just change it, play around with it for a bit and apply it and find out what's best for you. And that is all for this video too. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.